In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product bundles on a Shopify product page without using any additional apps. This can be a powerful tool for increasing sales and offering more value to your customers using Shopify's built-in functionalities. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify dashboard, which is the heart of your online store. This is where you manage everything from products to orders and beyond. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. It's usually located on the lower left side of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on it will take you to a variety of options for configuring your store's operations and appearance. Next up, navigate to Meta Fields and Meta Objects. This section may sound a bit technical, but it's incredibly useful. Meta Fields allow you to store extra information for your Shopify resources so you can do more with your store. For instance, they can help you include product-specific details that don't fit into the standard Shopify resources. Click on it, and you will see different types of meta fields that you can set up. Now go on and click on Products. This will lead you to the area where meta fields specific to products are managed. It's important to note that a well-configured meta field can significantly extend the functionality of your Shopify store, so this is a powerful tool in your belt. After arriving in the Products section, you'll see an option to click on Product. Go ahead and click it. This is where you will begin setting up your product bundle. Now you'll need to click on Name. This is where you will specify the name of your meta field, determining how it will appear both to you when managing the store and potentially to customers as well. Next, look for and click on Description. Here you can define precisely what your meta field is meant to convey. Whether it's a reminder to yourself or information the customer might need, a clear and concise description will help anyone interacting with it understand its purpose. From there, go back and click on Product again if needed. You'll generally find yourself navigating back to this section as you add and configure different meta fields. Next is Category Assignments, an option that allows you to detail which categories your product bundle fits into. This step is particularly crucial for organizing your products logically, improving the customer's shopping experience by helping them find related products more easily. Lastly, head over to Options. Options are the dynamic part of your meta field, giving you a choice of what kind of structure or data type you want to apply to it. This could be a text box, a list of choices, or even a date and time field. And there you have it. You've now set up a product bundle on your Shopify product page without needing any extra apps. This process not only saves you the hassle of installing additional applications, but it also offers a seamless way to enrich your product offerings. Be sure to review everything to ensure it's working as intended, and you'll be set to offer your customers enticing product bundles in no time.